I want views. So the best thing to do is play doors. That's my opinion, by the way. I actually do like this game. It's just really hard when I'm playing alone. So, if I scream too much, just
bear with me.
skip, please. Thank you. The hotel. Oh, nice. I have, okay, I changed my mind. I hate this game so much. I don't know why my sensitivity just doesn't work like it's supposed to. It just doesn't. I don't know why. I don't like this game. I really don't. Mainly because I'm playing alone right now. If I was playing with one of my other friends, I'd totally like this game. But like, I don't, because I'm not playing with anyone else. And it's kinda nerve-wracking, honestly. I have never heard that before in my life. What is that? Why was there a knock? Oh, what door was I at? Oh, okay. The lights didn't flicker. What is happening? I hate this game so much. This is a room that I have not seen before. Whoa! Yeah, so my friend taught me this trick that if you stay in a dark room long enough, where you're supposed to be will light up green. So I guess I just have to do that. This doesn't make any sense. Oh, see? Yeah, it worked. And I really did think that I was gonna get bit by a spider just now. But I didn't. I don't remember what Screech, I think that's his name. But I didn't, and I'm proud of myself because I didn't. Ah, doors. There's so many of them. I need to get this one. Okay. Just random commentary. That's what this is. See, those confuse me because they look like lighter, like it would be. Did it just flicker? I don't know. Oh. Well, would you look at that? Why didn't I check over here in the first place? What is wrong with me? And why is my my arm sleeve thing going through my hand? That's not, I don't think that's healthy. What was that? Oh my god! I thought I was finna die. That would have been not good. At all. Is that me walking? I can't tell. I don't know. Ah. I don't like this. Well, it doesn't seem like anything's gonna happen. I'll be fine. Somebody's mad. What number was that? You always have to keep track of the numbers. Because, like, sometimes there'll be fake doors. This is the right door. Yeah, so, like, sometimes there'll be fake doors, and you'll open them, and then, like, you'll get bit by something. So, you always just have to know what door you're at. Did that like flicker? No. It didn't. Not C. Wait, is this the one with Seek? No, it's not. Ha! Loser. Oh, he's creepy. He's really creepy. Ha. That's what. Flashlight. Oh yeah, flashlight. Woohoo. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Flashlight. Oh yeah. Now how am I supposed to get through? Oh. Okay. Wait, what? Wait, what? Huh? I don't like this. I don't like this game. This is never good. Why do I keep hearing like a stomping sound? Like why does that exist? Why does that exist? Why those noises you make? What? Oh. I don't like that. Key. Ah. Key. This is gonna be the one with Seek, isn't it? Isn't it? Ah. Wait. This one? Yep. This is okay. I gotta be completely and totally focused. Okay. Like. Have to be or not? Oh yeah, it is. Have to be focused. Have to be focused. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is not gonna end well. Why is he so fast? Oh. This way? Yep. This is not happening. This is not happening. No!